Okay, so husband and stepson got the first piece of outer roof on for over the bed. We replaced the wood on the bottom. We're going to do the sides still. Put in new metal, new wood, and they did an excellent job. So now, sorry to make you dizzy, little treat is we're going to go up on the roof. Because guess what? No, we didn't get the ceiling in yet back here, but we'll get that done. We got, whoopsie, sorry. We got the roof rolled. So, I'm going to show you. My stepson and I did. We got the whole thing rolled. No molding on yet because it got friggin' hot. We got a piece here that has to go over the back edge. But it's the hole I just came through. That's the bathroom hole, pipe over the bathroom. That's the fridge hole, pipe over the fridge. This is where the AC goes, and we bought a new one today. Okay, so we didn't go all the way past here. You can see the flashing there. That's where we stopped because we put flashing across here and they had to do the over the cab piece first. So, scary, creepy. We got another piece of wood to put on. Then he has like a fiberglass covering, and then we're gonna roll the rest of this over. The glue's really easy. You roll it on, and then we were doing 2-foot sections at a time and making sure the bubbles were out. It's dirty because we got dirty feet, but I think it came out okay. Almost there. 3 weeks until we go on vacation with it. Yay!